Hello. Happy morning, my lovely students. I know and I hope that all my students are healthy and safe at home. And my lovely students have started maintaining their mathematics notebook. Student, I have one secret to share with you. आपको आपकी notebooks maintain करने पर marks मिलेंगे. So students, if you want to score very good marks, you have to prepare your mathematics notebook very nicely and neatly, and it must be completed also. Okay students, let's come back to our discussion. So we were discussing our chapter 5, that is simplification. We have almost seen our exercise 2, but in this video we will also solve two sums that are important in exercise 2. Then afterwards we will also discuss the review exercise. So my students are ready with the pen and pencil, with the rough book also, because they will solve it with it. Okay students, let's have a look. So now students, we will be looking, or we will have a look on the exercise 2 on page number 37. But hold on students, in previous video we have discussed something about the brackets. Let's have a quick recall on that. How many types of brackets are there? 4. Which are they? One is bar bracket, round bracket, curly bracket and square bracket, or I can say the big bracket. हम हमेशा ये order में हम follow करेंगे brackets को solve करना. Okay students, one more thing is there, you should know about it. B O D M A S. B O D M A S. B stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is on page number 36 of your textbook. Okay students, we will follow the brackets pattern, but as well as at the same time we will also follow the rule, that was division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. My lovely students, remember now, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay students, there are 4 types of brackets which my lovely students should remember. Now let's start to solve the exercise. So now in exercise we will be solving first the second sum. So because it is easy and my lovely students can easily have a grip on that. Okay students, let's start with our second sum. First of all, I will copy the question. 3 plus big bracket, curly bracket, then round bracket. 4 divided by 4, then close of round bracket plus 1 curly bracket into 8 then big bracket. Okay students, you need to copy the question properly. You need to focus on the brackets also. Now we will move to the solution. Okay students, first of all we will be focused on, हमारा रूल क्या था? Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we will be focusing on that rule as well. Okay students, now let's start it. Bar bracket तो है नहीं इसके अंदर, so I will be focusing on first round bracket. मैं सिर्फ round bracket पर focus करूँगी, बाकी सब मैं as it is लिखूँगी. 3 plus big bracket, curly bracket. 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 plus 1 curly bracket close into 8 and big bracket. Okay students, अब round bracket तो चला गया, उसके बाद कौन से bracket का टर्न होता है? Curly bracket. So now we will be solving the curly one. Okay students, बाकी सब same. 3 plus big bracket, 2 ones are 2 into 8 big bracket. Now पहले मैं प्लस करूंगी कि into? What is according to the rules? डिविजन के बाद क्या होता है? 3 plus 8 2s are 16. 3 plus 16 equals to 19. Very good students. Understood each and each step? पहले हम बार ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करेंगे, then round, curly and big. Okay students, let's solve one more sum. Okay students, always copy the question properly. Let's solve the 10th one. My question is 28 plus big bracket 6 plus curly bracket 3 into bracket 27 divide by 9 upon 5 round bracket close, curly bracket close and square bracket is also closed. Okay students, now I will be solving this sum one by one step. Okay students, let's start it. First of all, I will be solving the round bracket. So students, you have to copy the question properly. Okay students, let's solve it. पहले मैं हमेशा ये round bracket solve करूँगी. Okay students, so I will be writing here 28 plus मैं बाकी सब as it is copy करूँगी 6 plus curly bracket 3 into 27. Now it comes to divide. आपको क्या बोला गया है? Divide 9 by 5. Divide में कैसे possible हो सकता है? But one more thing, you have learned this property in junior classes कि जब मैं इस divide को into में convert कर देती हूँ तो it will become reciprocal. That means into 5 by 9 हो जाएगा. It can become reverse. Okay students, so मैं इस divide को किस में convert कर दूँगी? into में. And then what will be the different in term? 9 by 5 का reciprocal हो जाएगा. That means 5 by 9 curly bracket square bracket. Okay students, और एक चीज मैंने आपको previously बताया था, when there is the sign of multiplication you can do the cuttings. Okay students, so now we will be doing the cutting. See, 3 ones are 3 threes are. Okay students, 3 ones are 3 nines are. Okay, do you want I should repeat this step again? Check, I will be repeating this. मैं ये पूरे टर्म को मैं for your understanding I am solving here. See, 3 into 27 actually होना क्या चाहिए? Divide 9 by 5. ठीक है, then it should be curly bracket. But is it possible to divide this term? So what will ma'am do? Ma'am will convert this divide into. So what will be my answer? Ma'am will convert this divide into. जब मैम इस divide को multiplication में convert कर रहे हैं, so उस टाइम क्या होगा? 9 by 5 का reverse हो जाएगा. Means इसका reciprocal हो जाएगा. What will be my reciprocal of this? 9 by 5 का reciprocal क्या होगा? 5 by 9. मेरे क्वेश्चन में 9 by 5 है with divide. When I convert this divide into multiplication, the term will be reciprocal. Understood students? Now I am showing you the cutting part. You know it? Okay, we can do the cutting when there is sign of multiplication. 3 के टेबल में 9 जाता है. 3 ones are 3 threes are. Okay students? अब 27 भी 3 के टेबल में जाता है. कहाँ जाता है? 3 ones are 3 nines are. Understood students? Now it is clear. Should I continue the sum now? So I will be back with my So then into 5 by 9 curly bracket square bracket. 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 ones are 3 nines are. So what will be my next step? I will be copy 28 plus 6 bracket. अब राउंड ब्रैकेट का टर्म तो खत्म हो गया. Now it comes to curly bracket. What is left? 9 5s are 45. What is left in this? 9 and 5 are left. So my answer will be 9 5s are 45. Now I will be solving this big bracket. 28 plus 45 plus 6. Yes, 51. What will be my answer of this? 79. So students, this sum was important for this reciprocal part. Okay? So students, that's all for today. Here we complete the discussion of exercise 2. But hold on students. Your homework will be, you are requested to solve the remaining sums. And I have something for you. We were on this. We have solved 1, 2, 10. And the remaining sums will be your homework. I will be providing you the PDF. But hold on students. PDF में बहुत बार ऐसा होगा कि statements में लिखे होंगे. But आपको पता है कि आपको कैसे लिखना है. एक स्टेप न्यू लाइन में, दूसरा स्टेप न्यू लाइन में. जैसे अभी मैम ने सॉल्व किया था. आपको याद है ना मैम ने कैसे सॉल्व किया था? मैम ने कैसे सॉल्व किया था? हर एक स्टेप दूसरी लाइन में. इसी तरीके से आपको सॉल्व करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एवरी स्टेप है न्यू लाइन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ लेट्स कम बैक टू द असेसमेंट. Okay, this is your homework. And now the worksheet part. Our review exercise. Review exercise is a mixture of the whole chapter. So you have to complete it also. Write a mathematical expression for each of the following. आपको एक mathematical expression लिखना है. चलो मैं एक solve करके दिखाती हूँ. First one, okay. 6 multiply. मैं 6 मल्टीप्लाई कर रही हूँ. किसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रही हूँ? डिफरेंस मतलब माइनस. डिफरेंस किसका? 17 माइनस 11. आपको इस तरीके से वर्ड्स में लिखना है. इसको आपको वर्ड्स में दिया है and you are requested to write in the numericals by using the symbols. Okay students, and the second question is your simplification, which we have solved right now in the exercise 2. Okay students, that's all for today. Here we complete our discussion of our chapter 5th. That's great. That's all for today. Take care. Be happy. Complete your notes. God bless you, child.